In this video, I'm going to show how quickly and easily the FlexCount 145 system is at receiving, documenting, and tracking parts. In this case, a Garmin G5 just walked in the door. We need to enter it into the system, tag it, because techs are waiting for it to put it on a plane. Let's see how quickly and easily we can do that. On the right-hand side is the FlexAccount system. We click Purchase Order, enter and receive a new purchase order, doing this totally from scratch. Up comes the system. It says I want to add a new purchase order number. I'm receiving it from Garmin, and I want to add a new part. So I click Add. Cursor hops into the Part ID field. I simply scan the Garmin part number. Cursor hops to the serial number field. I scan the serial number field. Cursor goes to Save. I press Enter. It saves it. It says, do you want to receive this part? I say, yes, I do for confirmation. It's done. And out comes a label. That label has a unique tracking number, which will identify this part number with this serial number on this purchase order on this date. We simply peel it, attach it to the box, and that label will now track everything we need. In a moment, we'll show how easy it is for the tech to disperse and consume that and put it on a plane and complete the tracking cycle.